All right, here we go. We are going to run this run back for Brandon. It is the 65-inch TV 4K. Come down here and type live real quick and get this show on the road. Current time of 5:49, just turned 5:50, and 5:50 on the laptop. We're in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We got James, Joe, John, Jesse, Brian, John, Joe, Jesse, and James for the last. 7 times, as always. Good luck. We have Brian after 1, Joe, John, Brian, John, and after 6 we have Brian. Current time of 5:50 and 5:50 right here on random. Last and final, good luck. Joe in the 8 spot. Congratulations, Joe. YUPJHY is the verification code. And we are done. Current time 5:50, 5:50, 5:50, and just turned 5:51. Congratulations, Joe. Sorry to everyone else.